A clerical error on my mother's death certificate and Home Affairs is refusing to correct the issue. Can you refer us to a firm that specializes in this? The short answer, we suggest either to Saude Attorneys or Intergate Immigration. The whole question, I'm hoping you can advise me on the following situation. My mother passed away in 2016 in another country. She was a citizen of that country and South Africa. Her other country death certificate has been issued showing her date of birth to be slightly different from her South African one. We need her South African death certificate to be issued by Home Affairs so we can wind up her estate. We were asked by Home Affairs to translate all the other countries' documents and resubmit them. We did this, but Home Affairs still refuses to issue the death certificate. It has been over 3 years of back and forth. We are at our wits' end. What can we do? Can you refer us to a firm that specializes in this? The long answer, thank you for your email asking for a reference to a firm specializing in dealing with Home Affairs, who are refusing to issue a death certificate for your mother due to her birth certificate in her other country, reflecting a different birth date from the one on her South African ID. It must be deeply frustrating, and indeed infuriating for your family, to be confronted with Home Affairs' ongoing refusal to issue the death certificate after you have submitted further information from the other country confirming her date of birth. That it has taken 3 years of trying is disgraceful, but sadly not at all unusual when dealing with Home Affairs. Home Affairs has been taken to court a number of times over the last few years, both for its unreasonable delay in processing applications and wrongful refusal of applications. In March of this year, it lost yet another appeal when the Supreme Court of Appeal called it obstructive and dilatory.